and welcome back to my channel. Today is December 1st and this is kicking off Vlogmas. Well, it's December 1st when you're watching this. So happy Vlogmas. Vlogmas is traditionally a vlog every day till Christmas, but if you have been around my channel for the last few years, did a little bit differently. I do festive vlogs on a weekly basis and perhaps some bonus videos throughout the way. So I would love if you subscribe and come back to my channel to watch throughout the month of December, where you'll have a new weekly vlog every Wednesday. So starting today and every Wednesday following. I'm actually just getting ready. It is Monday and I just finished my work day and I had dinner. I'm just finishing getting myself ready and I'm gonna go out and pick up my best friend Nikki and we are gonna go get me a Christmas tree. So I found a Christmas tree that I really like. It's out of stock on Michael's website and I found it on Facebook Marketplace. So we're gonna go pick it up. But honestly, I really like Facebook Marketplace for things like Christmas decorations, holiday decor, things like that, because it's a great way to get something more affordable and then you can change it out and resell it every couple of years. So that's actually what I'm doing. So I sold my pink Christmas tree. Actually, it's rose gold if you've been around my channel for a while. I just listed it on Facebook Marketplace and I'm actually getting a couple of offers for it. So hopefully that one will be gone by the end of the week, if not sooner, and I already went ahead and bought a new one. So, well, we're gonna go pick it up tonight. So I'm really excited because I've been meaning to, I almost did this last year. I really wanted to get a flocked Christmas tree, and that is what I'm doing. I'm rambling, I don't know what I just said. So it's out of stock on Michael's website and I found it on Facebook Marketplace. So we're gonna go pick it up. We're also gonna go to Michael's and I'm gonna look at different decorating ideas and maybe get some things to decorate my new tree, because all of my ornaments previously were rose gold and matched my last tree. So I'm gonna get all new decor and decorate the condo. I'm really excited to be doing Vlogmas there and decorate, and it's gonna be really fun. So that is what we're doing. I'm gonna go pick her up now and we're gonna do a little bit of shopping tonight. And she also is gonna be looking at decor for her place too. So it'll be fun. It's snowing, our first snowfall, and I got a snowy tree. So Nikki's carrying my tree, I feel so bad. Car is over there. So we went to Michael's and I was gonna look at decorations and I was supposed to go pick up my tree on Facebook Marketplace, but then they had this tree. It's not the same tree and I decided in the store, and now I got a bigger tree. We're gonna go set it up. We are at the condo, brought the Christmas tree in, and we're gonna set it up now. It's gonna go right in the corner there. Nikki's here with me. So I'm gonna set up the camera and try to unbox this thing. Did I tell you the story of what happened? I don't think I updated the vlog, right?
I don't think
So we went to the store. Okay, let me actually sit down.
Story time.
So we went to Michael's because I was going to buy a Christmas tree on Facebook Marketplace and I couldn't go before 7:30 when the person got home from work. We went to Michael's to just look at Christmas decorations and like if there was like ornaments and stuff that I might be interested in, but we got there and we were so disappointed because there's nothing. So like there's serious supply chain issues, and I had heard about this because everything's out of stock online too, but like there's no stock. So we went there and it was pretty disappointing because there was very little decorations. So we did 2 laps around the Christmas section and there was nothing. So we were literally about to leave, and then I look over in the corner of my eye and I'm like, there's the tree. And it was this box sitting on the floor. I'm telling you, there was not even Christmas trees on display. They had 2 like very basic looking trees and they looked like, it just looked so picked over. They didn't even have their full display out. But there was this random box in the corner, which was this tree. And I'm like, this is the tree I'm buying. Like, Nikki, I wish you like were filming me or something, because my face was like, that's the tree, that's the tree. So, because I had told her in the car on the way there, like the whole story about this tree. I did a bunch of research and it was on sale and blah, blah, blah. There's no inventory, I got it on Facebook Marketplace. So it was like this big long story. So there was such a build up, and then I found it in the store, got it, brought it to the cash, and it rang up at a higher price. And I was like, but no, it's on sale. And then after looking it up, realizing that this is the 7-foot pre-lit flocked slim tree. There's a difference from the pencil tree that I was supposed to get. And I looked it up, and this one is 4 inches bigger in diameter. It was a little bit more expensive, but I actually like this one better because I think the branches are a little bit wider and it's gonna look really pretty. And now I'm really excited. It was meant to be. It was like literally the only Christmas tree in the entire store, and everybody in the lineup was like, oh, that's a nice tree, that's a nice tree. And I'm like, okay, I need to buy it. So that's the story. Time to unbox it, and Nikki's here with me and we're gonna do it together. It's cute! It really is. Oh! Yay!
Oh, that's pretty!
It's so cute! Thank you for helping me.
Oh, I love it. It looks really good.
It looks so cute. Oh my god, I love it. And I think the size is perfect. Like, it's just perfect. And then I have this blanket that I got. It's from Chapters. And I just vacuumed up the fluff, and I'm gonna use this as a tree skirt. I just gotta position it better, but then I don't need a tree skirt. It'll look cute, and it matches my decor. So life hack, use a blanket. Good morning. It's really sunny, but you can't see me too well because I put my back to the light. Here we go. Morning. This coffee took a second to make this morning because my machine was forcing me to descale. So this coffee better taste fresh. I missed it. Haven't been here in a little while and haven't had my Nespresso coffee. So this morning I am just doing a little bit of computer work right now, and then I'm actually off of work. It's Friday, it's Black Friday. I took the day off work because I have some vacation to use by the end of the year. So I saw that it was a quiet day in my calendar and took the day off. So I'm doing a little bit of online shopping, a little bit of computer work before I head out for the day. But I really want to decorate my tree, put the ornaments up on it. I don't know if I'll have time to do that this morning, probably this evening, and I want to show you the ornaments I got and how I'm being thrifty with this tree because it just feels like fun, kind of go treasure hunting. Actually, I'm going out today, so maybe I might even find some more ornaments. So I need to wake up. I still haven't had my coffee yet. I will wait till later this evening to put the decorations on my tree. I have to go back to Michael's because, oh, I didn't even tell you this. The tree saga continues. So my tree, it actually went on sale now for Black Friday, which is very exciting for me. So I'm gonna go back, I'll be in the area anyways. I'm gonna go back to Michael's and get a price adjustment for the price that I paid on Monday because they do price guarantees. So fingers crossed that that all works out. It should, but yeah, it's a big savings. I'm gonna get $70 back for my tree because when I bought it, it was on sale for $194.99. So with tax, it came out to $220, which is more than I wanted to spend on my tree. Looks pretty though, I really, really love it. But it went on sale for half price, so the price is $129.99. With tax, it'll come up to just under $150. So I'm really happy about that. I love a good deal, and I like to be thrifty, you know? Why pay more when you don't need to? Oh, I'm so happy to have my Nespresso coffee back. I love this. This is the Bianco Leggero pod. It's literally the only pod that I really like from Nespresso. So I'm up in my cupboard up here. I think I have like 8 more boxes because I bought a bunch to get free shipping, and now I just have a bunch. I finally got myself together. I actually cleaned my whole condo. It's been a little while since I've done like a deep clean, so I did a deep clean. I'm a little bit sweaty because I got ready because Nikki's coming. She'll be here like any minute, so I want to give you an overview of some of the ornaments that I got for my tree, and I cross my fingers, hope that I can get them on the tree tonight because it's been a few days since I had it up and I've been like procrastinating. Oh, glitter went everywhere. Oh, okay. On my nice clean table. I've been procrastinating putting the decorations on the tree because I wanted to do it with you. So yes, these are some of the decorations I got. Oh, this sucks. Just got rose gold glitter everywhere and I just vacuumed. Okay, so my favorite thing that I just got, told you I was being thrifty with my tree. So this is a huge Ziploc bag full of silver assorted balls to go on my tree, and silver is the theme that I wanted to do. My condo is very gray and white and I just wanted the tree to match. I don't want any like loud Christmas colors. Like I don't really want to do red or green or anything like that. I just wanted silver. This is awesome. I got this whole bag for $5. I e-transferred her and then I just picked it up on her porch, and it was the easiest thing. And then I actually have some of the ornaments. I saved some of them from my last Christmas tree, which I actually sold, but most of them I gave with the person that bought it on Facebook. Oh, and I sold it for $100. So these are just clear, I think they're glass, they might be plastic balls from Michael's, and then I put fake snow in them, and then they have the hooks on them. So there was a couple of them that had rose gold glitter in them, and that's the glitter that I just got everywhere on my table. Oh yeah, they are glass. The package says glass. I got these like 3 years ago, so I can't really remember. These ones I hung onto because I will likely do a DIY project to spice up the tree. So I'm probably going to be decorating the tree in phases. It's a brand new tree, a blank canvas, and I don't really know what I want to do with it. I'm looking at it in the corner. It's so pretty. So I'm going to use these, and then I have my tree topper, but it might be too small. This I think was also from Michael's or from Dollarama, which I want to go to Dollarama today when Nikki comes to check out what they have. Maybe I'll get some more inspiration for my trees. I don't know, I need to like feel inspired. She's here. Just got back from just kind of like walking around with Nikki, and we stopped at, well, first of all, I wanted to show, went to HomeSense, just looking at like decor and inspiration, and I found another one of these organizers, which I got to organize my Nespresso pods a little while ago, and they fit perfectly in my cabinet. So they're the iDesign organizer. They're 11 inches, and that's the same size as my cabinets. And I had it over here with my Nespresso pods, and I thought a third one would fit perfectly. This is how I was storing them. And then you can just take from the front. But I guess like you have to pull the whole thing down if you want to take from the bottom. But you just put like your occasional ones there. Yeah. And then the ones, this is my favorite one that I always drink, so.
I love that one.
They're in the front. Bianco Leggero.
Yeah, I love that one too.
And this was the big one. Remember I told you it was big?
Yeah. You said 3 cups? That's bad. That guy makes a lot of noise.
My upstairs neighbor. It's very loud. I feel like the last time I was here and I vlogged, I was talking about how loud he was. That's not good. Fits perfectly. I'm excited. This is where I put them. So this is the one that I just put in. I have to take off the stickers, but fits perfectly in my cabinet. It is just the right size. Found it at HomeSense. But you can also get them on Amazon. They're just more expensive. I'll put the link down below. Next, we went to Farm Boy. Also went to Starbucks, and I'm obsessed with the chestnut praline latte, so I had to get another one. Even though, actually, we had it for the first time in this vlog, the beginning of this vlog.
Oh yeah.
Same video. Just had a second one. It's my favorite. I don't even know. I guess I like the nutty taste of it. So Nikki got from Farm Boy croissants, and they are mini French toast.
10 out of 10. Highly recommend.
I'm gonna warm it up and then try it. Then we also got toffee cookies. I I normally get the toffee chocolate chip, but like the bigger ones, and they only had the minis. But they look like they're baked perfectly, and I'm really excited. I'll also put them in the microwave. And then tomorrow we have a dinner, so I got these chocolate chip cookies. There's a lot of them in here, I didn't realize.
24, yeah, that one had 24.
Oh my god. I guess they're 2 dozen. Huh, I didn't even realize. Well, Farm Boys like baked good stuff. I'm all about it. We also walked around the Stack Marketplace, and they have like such cute little like fire pits set up with like heated seating and different cute like exhibits and pop-ups and stuff, and it was just like really cute and festive. But now we're just thinking about where to go eat. I forgot to vlog, but I put the French toast croissant in the microwave along with the toffee cookies. Nikki's right, 10 out of 10.
Told you.
But I recommend you put it in the microwave
Yeah,
because
have
it
another cookie.
tastes like it's just out of the oven.
Cheers.